Hey, what's everybody? So in front of you we have the GOSETH Glass Pro Plus tempered glass screen protector. Disclaimer, I do get a commission every time you click on the link and purchase. So when you do purchase, I do get a commission. But we're going to give you a full unboxing of this and a quick overview for the Nintendo Switch 2 that's coming out in June. So let's go ahead and dive into it. So here's the box. There is a QR code with the URL as well. Unfortunately, this, just to pre-warn you, this does take you to the regular Nintendo Switch, the first one. So not the Nintendo Switch 2, but the process of installation is similar. So included, you get 3 tempered glass screen protectors, gloss, you have your frame. So you would just take off the Joy-Con 2s, put this over the Switch 2, and then you'll place your screen protector right on top of it. You get 3 little pouches. They contain your installation kit, cleaning kit. So this one already kind of opened already, just to see what's inside. So you get your tiny screen cleaning cloth. You get your little squeegee, your wet wipes to clean the glass of any fingerprints and dust, and you have your dust stickers, so you can dab in case if there are any dust. You would just use this to dab and take off the dust off the screen. So let's put these back. So all 3 of them are the same. So if you're done with one, you can go ahead and throw it away. You still have 2 more for the other 2 screen protectors that has the same items again. So at the time of this video, Nintendo Switch 2 is not out yet, but it's just to give you an example of what to expect. Again, this is a 1-to-1 size. So once you take off the Joy-Con 2s, you're left with just the Switch 2 itself. You'll take this frame, place it right over it, take one of the screen protectors, pull this little tab to expose the bottom of it, and then you will simply just place this glass right over the Switch, take the squeegee, and try and push out any bubbles. So then, just to show you how close this is, you can see right here is the bezel, and here as well. And if I line this up, and this is literally spot on. Again, maybe a millimeter or less of, gap between the edge of the console and the screen protector, but that's like any other screen protector to compensate for any movements and stuff like that. So with this lined up, it's pretty much spot on. So this is just to give you an idea of what it is and size wise, until obviously once I get the new Nintendo Switch 2. So I don't think you'll have a problem with this. Again, this is HD clear, tempered glass, but I'll definitely be installing this on day 1 once I get my Nintendo Switch 2. Till next time, see ya.